guys, it's Kat back at it again with a makeup transformation video. Today we are turning into this Libra goddess inspired by the Zodiac sign of Miss Libra. I want to do some colors of night and day, so orange yellow tones and deep blue colors. If you didn't know already, I'm a Libra baby born October 6th. And today's video also happens to be a collaboration with my good friend Zachary of the Sea. He is turning into an Aries today, so you should definitely go check out that video. There will be a link in the description of this video, but until then, let's get started with this Libra inspired makeup look. First of all, let's not get it twisted. Of course, I am wearing clothes, even though it looks like I'm not. Wearing a sleeveless top because I'm going to be doing some body painting today. And I'm going to put a wig cap on because I'm definitely, absolutely, positively going to put on a wig later on. Now this step is totally optional, but I'm going to flatten down them eyebrows. I got a glue stick. I like to do about 4 layers of glue and powder. I wait for the glue to get a little bit tacky before powdering it down. Wait for each layer of the glue and powder to dry before moving on to the next. I do about 4 layers because that's how many layers my brows need it to be flattened because of my brow hair thickness of my Asian brows. But do whatever makes you comfortable if you want to do this or not. Then I'm getting my favorite orange corrector concealer by Dermaflage, and I'm putting that over my brow hairs because I have very dark brow hairs, and this will help cancel out, make it look more skin tone once I slap that concealer on. We're using Miss Tarte Shape Tape today, one of the cult classics, favorite of everyone, best-selling concealer. Not being ever paid by Tarte, just love it. Putting that on my eyelids and on my eyebrows, blending that out with a huge brush because I like blending out concealer around my eyes with brushes now instead because I am learning new things and what works for my allergy-ridden watery eyes. Then I'm getting one of my all-time new absolute obsessed favorite palette lately. This is the BH Cosmetics Weekend FestivalPalette. It is loud, proud, and very bold, bright colors. I'm using the orange and blue in this palette, starting off with that orange color with a large blending brush. I'm patting that onto the concealer. If you notice, I didn't set the concealer. It's a new thing I'm doing. Feeling like a beauty guru. Putting eyeshadow straight on wet concealer on my eyelids before they crease. This takes time, skill, and patience, a lot of blending and patting. You can do your eyeshadow and concealer any way you want. This is just how I'm doing it. It looks like a flame. Then we're moving to the other eye with that blue color from the same palette. Now I'm dipping into this Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette with this deeper orange color. Absolutely love it. We are patting that with a blending brush on the outer corner and inner corner of our eye, kind of doing a halo eye effect. And with the darker blue shadow from that same palette, I am doing it on the blue side of the eye. Now, getting one of my favorite JCat products. This is a mousse-like eyeshadow base. It's a multi-use, beautiful mousse product. Getting the color Tangerine on that orange eye, then this blue color on the other eye. JCat's so underrated. They make great products that are cheap as can be. Getting some MAC Fix Plus with that deeper blue shadow just to make it more defined on that eye. Now I'm getting one of the most expensive makeup product face bases known to man. This is the Bobbi Brown foundation base, the vitamin one. You don't need this. Whatever foundation base you love, you could put that on your face. As you can see, I like doing eyes first. Getting one of my all-time favorite foundations with a damp beauty sponge. This is the Covergirl Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. It's a mouthful, but it is legendary. I absolutely love it. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. I'm putting that all over my face, but as you can see, I'm missing those under eyes because getting that concealer again to swipe that on my under eyes, and then we're gonna get that big fluffy brush again to blend it out, or you can use a damp beauty sponge. As you can see, I also put that concealer around my nose in areas that I need coverage because your girl gets rosacea and redness around her nose. Then if you want to bake your eyes, you can. I'm just getting a Maybelline Fit Me powder under my eyes with a sponge. and setting the rest of my face with that powder. Getting my BH Cosmetics 10 blush palette, getting the more orange terracotta color from it and putting that on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose as well. The Laura Mercier Baked 01 Natural Highlighter is perfect for if you have under eye sinkage like I do. If you want to put it in that crease where your under eyes might sink and sag, this will make them look brighter, wider, more awake. Now, getting my Kat Von D contour palette, haven't used this in a while. Whatever contour you love, you could use. And I'm just contouring my face, on my cheekbones, on the forehead, and to chisel out that jawline that needs to be more prominent and exist more on my face than it does. Then I got a very tiny detailed paintbrush with white aqua paint. I'm using Wolf Effects Hydro Color in white on this. I'm doing the constellation of a Libra sign as kind of like where I would put my freckles, just to make it a little cuter. And putting a little bit of stars instead of just dots. Now I'm getting an orange aqua paint and putting that just on the center of my forehead. I got a lighter orange, then a darker orange with a thinner brush to do almost like a circular sun type design in the center of my forehead. And while that sun-like design on her forehead dries, I'm going to move on to concealing my lips with some concealer before getting my new favorite lip gloss. This is MAC's Grand Illusion Glossy Liquid Lip Color. I will put the name of this lip color in the description along with all the other products I use in this video. It is absolutely beautiful, as you can see. Then getting the orange eyeshadows, I'm going to dust that on my bottom lash line. Almost forgot that. And with the blue shadow, I'm going to dust that on the bottom lash line of the blue side of my eye. As I'm defining those under eyes, I really wanted to do a blue side and an orange side to balance things out, light and day. You know, Libras, we love scales, beautiful things. We like everything to be even. We don't like conflict that much. We like everything to be fair. We are indecisive. We don't like violence or confrontation. We hold grudges, but we are gentle, like the outdoors. We're an air sign. And I'm getting that JCat mousse product on the inner corner as well. Then with a sky blue aqua paint, I am doing the Libra horoscope sign on top of that orange design on my forehead. Then getting the brightest, whitest highlighter I have from OFRA's Beverly Hills highlighter palette. Putting it on my nose in areas I liked highlighted, on my cheekbones as well. Then getting a matte liquid eyeliner. I'm going to outline that horoscope sign that we painted on our forehead. Putting more of that JCat orange mousse on the design as well. Now, girl, it is time to curl our eyelashes to prepare them for some big, false, amazing, beautiful ones. But I'm also going to whiten my waterline with a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk to make my eyes look bigger and brighter. Moving on to some mascara so that our lashes look like they're here and present for the first day of school, maybe. Then I'm getting my all-time favorite eyelash style. This is the B Bella Wonderlust eyelashes. They are extremely large, fluffy, gorgeous, beautiful, everything you've ever dreamed of for an extravagant look. I'm slapping those onto my eyelid skins with some Duo Lash Glue. Then we're moving on to the not so fun for me part, but exciting part for Libras, because we're drawing the scales with a orange aqua paint. As you can see, I start off with a lighter orange, then moved on to this deeper orange with a brush just to do a freehand painting of a scale. Just have fun with this. You don't need to be precise, exact, extravagant. Just make a scale on your chest to let people know who you are as a true Libra. I got some blue as well and did some more detail around that with that sky blue just to make it pop, give some design, make it a little fancy. Put some darker blue in there as well. Then that orange mousse from JCat, put that on there too. Speaking of gold, I got a gold choker because I'm that extra. Then I got this amazing wig from everydaywigs.com. I've used it in a previous video. It is gorgeous, beautiful, everything. She's her own personality. Leave a comment down below on what her name should be and what other video ideas I should do for Halloween. Then got some wig glue to make sure she doesn't fly off our scalp and she stays locked and secured like a precious baby. Then it doesn't stop there. I even put on a headband, like her own little tiara crown of leaves. That also looks gold. And with that, we are completely done with our Libra goddess Zodiac inspired makeup transformation. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please go check out Zachary of the Sea, who I collaborated with this makeup video. He is a sweetheart, so talented. Definitely check out his YouTube channel and his Instagram page. I hope you enjoyed this look. Even if you're not a Libra, you could definitely dress as one, or use this for inspiration of just any type of fantasy makeup. With that being said, this would be great for Halloween if you're a fellow Libra, or to inspire future fantasy looks. If you guys do this look or any look from my YouTube channel, please post on Instagram with #katsketch. I would love to see it. And with that, it's time to take off the wig and turn back into myself. I wish I could look like this all the time. I absolutely love myself without eyebrows for some reason. I've been practicing a lot of makeup on my Instagram, so you should definitely go check that out. Been doing some tester makeup, some beauty makeup looks, and practicing my skill in craft, trying to get busy and really hone in on how to become better for Halloween, because 'tis the season. Halloween is everything. If you don't like Halloween, sis, what's wrong? I definitely want to do crazy extreme videos for Halloween on this channel, so again, leave comments on Halloween ideas. I need them. And I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!